How to reset search history on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, click on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list, click on your activity, and here you want to click on recent searches, and here you will find all the searches that you have made. And in order for you to reset or delete the search history, you will have two options. You can either do it one by one, so you can delete some of them and leave the others, and you can do this by clicking on the X icon next to each search, just like I'm going to do right now. Or you have the second one, which is you can clear them in mass, meaning that you can clear all of your search history at once. And for you to do that, you need to click on the blue text that says clear all at the top right of the searches. It will give you this confirmation box. So all what you need to do is click on clear all again, and that's it. As you can see, you have just deleted all of your searches. So that was it for this video. That's how you can reset search history on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.